What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
You'll discover the events of this story with us today, which is spread widely over the internet. Unfortunately, the real heroes are not famous, but this does not detract from the value of what they offer because it remains immortal, fraught with true sacrifices. A group of teachers met the parents of the students who were studying in their department and asked them to collect a sum of money among them in order to change the appearance of the department and make it look decent, because the tables and chairs have become faded and the curtains were torn and walls eroded. On the day when these teachers set an appointment with the parents of the students to conduct a meeting to study the appropriate plan to start the process of reformatting inside the department, everyone came to the department and began collecting money among them. But some of the parents did not have enough money to participate, and they were satisfied with granting a small amount as a symbolic participation from them. But the situation bothered the wealthy parents and insisted that they pay the same amount, in a hint of them to those who paid a small amount to raise the amount that they participated in the process. When the low-income parents expressed their grumbling about the talk of the rich parents who demanded from the teachers that the school administration give their children a section of their own and isolate them from these students whose parents were unable to pay the participation fee to prepare the department. When the debate intensified among the fathers, a 40-year-old man suddenly appeared, stood on the stage, and called for calm. The man asked the parents of the students to understand each other, and the rich must pay additional money to reformulate the section, to which point the problem will be finalized. Rich parents did not agree with the man's demand, and they asked the teachers to separate the students in the class. Where the rich buy tables of good quality tables and chairs for their children to sit on, while children of low-income parents are satisfied with the tables with old chairs to sit on, but only if the two layers are separated. The man eventually surrendered, and he asked everyone to agree to that proposal so that the hours-long debate ended. After the weekend ended, the children returned to the classroom and found their section in a new suit, but they were shocked by the presence of new tables of the good type, biased on one hand, while the old tables and chairs that they composed sit on the other side, which made them confused and started all of them wonders where he sits. Then the teacher came and sat the children of the rich on one side, and the others sat in the usual chairs. The teacher noticed that the students sitting at the old tables were looking at their colleagues on the other side, and tears filled their eyes, which made them affected a lot. On the other hand, the students, children of the rich, were very happy with the new chairs and tables that they obtained, and they looked at their colleagues on the opposite side with a mockery, laughing at them, but it did not last long. The next day, the children entered the classroom and found that there was something new there. They found that the old chairs and tables had completely disappeared and were replaced by high-quality chairs and tables better than those of the richest children, and more comfortable than them, which made everyone in shock. The tables were made of the finest types of wood, and they were well polished, and the chairs were in harmony with the tables, and also comfortable. They're specially made to ensure the comfort of students during the study, and for this the price was very high. The students, the children of low-income families, rushed to these chairs while they were very happy and sat on them, while the others stayed watching while they were shocked by the scene that was appearing in front of them. At the end of the situation, it became clear that the man who intervened during the meeting and tried to coordinate the two parties in cooperation with each other to purchase supplies was the one who purchased these chairs and tables from his own money, after he noticed the greed of the wealthy parents. The man was rich and had a lot of money because he owned a company, but he did not try to show this in the meeting, but rather put his idea to all the parents to test the intentions of the rich among them. And when they issued that response that insulted the other parents, he decided to deal with the matter in his own way and make the poor children happier, and in the same time, they put the rich and their children in a difficult position. Although this world is full of greedy people who despise the poor, there are good people who do the impossible for the poor. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.